everyone, welcome to my Participate course. My name is Michael Cohen, the Tech Rabbi, and today we are going to start a journey together, breaking down the design thinking process, understanding its relationship with project-based learning, and what I really want to see happen is how we can start to scale meaningful experiences for our students in our classrooms. And so we're going to go through that journey together step by step in each module. And there's going to be resources, there's going to be conversation. I want this to be collaborative and conversational. I want you to be able to reach out to me and reach out to others engaged in this course. Because the internet is giving us a global connection and a global opportunity to make a difference in the world. And for our students to know that that's possible can change their approach to hard work, perseverance, and doing great things beyond the academic knowledge and skills that, of course, we all want for our students. So let's break this course down. The first thing that we're going to discuss in this course is what is design thinking. Maybe you've heard the term before, maybe you haven't, maybe you're familiar with IDEO up in the Silicon Valley Bay Area and their relationship with the Stanford Design School. Maybe you've heard of IBM and the work that they've been doing in the design thinking space. Either way, you are going to get something out of this course, really understanding what design thinking looks like in a K-12 experience. The other thing that we're going to talk about are the 3 skills that I feel are the most important beyond that academic knowledge and success in developing skills. And that is students understanding what passion and self-awareness have to do with the work that they do in the rest of their life, and independence. I've worked in a K-12 environment for the past 10 years, and I've seen time and time again students articulate and express the good feeling that they get when they're challenged to be independent, and they're challenged to be independent thinkers and doers. And they might struggle, and they might fail. And we're going to talk about that as well. Those are 2 big components of anything that is experimental and anything that can turn out meaningful, is understanding failure, understanding reflection, and the role of those 2 in this process. Now, what I find really interesting about this experience is that we're going to go this design thinking crash course route, but you're going to be able to pull the different skills and the different ways of thinking to incorporate them into the rest of your teaching practice. So there is a niche, a very specific focused area of this course, but it's going to give you a broad approach and outlook to the way you're going to be looking at your classroom. And finally, the last thing that I want to emphasize is that this is an experimental course. Things are not going to work. Things are going to get messed up, and we are all going to struggle together. But we've worked in that reflection, we've worked in that approach to failure, that in the end, there are going to be incredible outcomes for ourselves as professionals and for our students as well. And I'm excited for you to join me on this process.